What's up, guys? Come join us for this week's podcast where we can talk about the biggest events that's going on, including Rolling Loud. You don't want to miss it. Come join us.
Do I something feel the pain? So what you just saw was Song Association. We'll be playing that game at the Film Crew Workshop this week, so see you there.
Hey guys, Christian here. Come on down to this week's Drop the Mic where you can show your talent. See you guys there.
Come to our robotic workshop where you can learn how to build robots. I want to see you here.
What's up, y'all? In this week's Record Label Workshop, we're going to be learning how to play the guitar. Bro.
What's up, guys? Check out this cool lighting, right? Come to this week's Photo Pros and you're gonna learn how to backlight your subject. Can't wait to see you there.